In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express web page. First, open your preferred web browser, head to Adobe Express, and sign into your account. A quick note. Being signed in ensures your work saves as you go, so you won't lose progress. Once you're on the home page, look for Web Page as your project type. Depending on the layout, it might be under a New Project button with a plus sign. Click it, and the editor opens with a clean workspace designed for scrolling, story-style pages. Before you add anything, decide how you want to start. You have two options. If you choose a template, you'll get a professionally designed page with layout and styling already in place. This is great if you want a polished look fast or if you're unsure about composition. Scroll through, pick one that matches your message, and remember, every element can be customized later. If you start from scratch, you'll begin with a blank canvas and full control. This suits you if you have a clear vision or prefer building section by section. Now let's add and edit content. Use the plus icon or the sidebar controls to insert blocks. For photos, you can upload your own images or search Adobe stock directly in the editor. Aim for clear, high-resolution visuals that support your story. For text, add headings like H1 or H2 and body copy. Then adjust the font, size, and alignment to create a clear hierarchy. Keep paragraphs short so the page feels light and easy to scan. If you need a call to action, add a button and paste in the link to another page or site. Descriptive labels like "Learn More" help visitors know what to expect. To include video, paste a YouTube or Vimeo URL and it will embed right on the page. If you want motion without sound, add a GIF by pasting a link, including those from sites like Giphy. To showcase multiple images, try a photo grid or slideshow to arrange visuals cleanly. For side-by-side storytelling, use split layout to pair an image or graphic with supporting text. And if you've already created designs in Adobe Express, choose your stuff to place them directly into the page. When you're happy with your content, it's time to share. Click Share. Choose Publish to Web, and generate a URL for your page. Copy the link and send it to your audience, or drop it into an email or social post. If you make changes later, republish to update the same link, and you're done.